Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can create a deal in Pipedrive. So please listen carefully to each detail and each step that I will be explaining because this will help you to track sales opportunities effectively. So first, of course, you have to log into your Pipedrive account, and once you've logged in, you will see the deal section, and what you will have to do is click it, and then you will see plus icon add deal, and you will click it again. Then you will enter deal title, value, and associated contact. And after that, you will select the pipeline and stage for the deal, and then you will click Save to create the deal. Monitor progress through the pipeline view. And by the way, if your screen looks different, you can also check under deals and then you will see create and then add new deal. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.